Hello everyone, I'm Fabrice, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my project where I designed and simulated a simple cellular backhaul network using Cisco Packet Tracer. The objective of this project is to understand routing, connectivity, latency, and the network performance in a telecommunication system. The network consists of one of Cisco 2911 router, two Cisco 2960 switches right here, two personal computers, this one PC0 and a PC1, and a copper one server right here as well, two IP phones, this one and this one right here, and a copper thread through cables, the black ones right here. The router, this one 2911, connects two different subnetworks, while each switch connects devices within its own local network, as you can see on the screen. The first subnet uses the IP address range 92. I will show you 192.168.10.024. The second subnet uses 192.168.20.0/24, and the router interfaces are configured with IP addresses. Let me show you. They are configured with IP addresses 192.168.10.1. Here is the configuration right here, router right here. As you can see, these are the configuration, and the PCs and the server are assigned static IP addresses. The IP phones represents telecommunication devices connected to each local network. So after placing the devices, I connected them using copper thread through cables. This one, the one you are seeing, the black ones with some arrows. Then I configured the router interfaces through the CLI, the one I showed you recently right here, using the configure terminal command. As I show you, just come here and type the command that you want. Here, as you can see, we have router, enable router, configure terminal, things like this. I assigned also IP addresses to each interface and enabled them using no shutdown command. So finally, I configured the IP addresses on the PCs and servers. So this is the one for router. This is the command that I used, and after doing this, once it's successfully, you will see this one, line prod -5 up down, and this one line prod 5 up down. This is successful. As you can see here, we have router con 0 is now available. Press return to get started. This shows that the router has been successfully configured. To verify the configuration, I used the ping command from one PC to another network, and the ping was successful. Let me show you over here. Here is the ping that I used it to test, and the ping was successfully showing that the router correctly forwarded the packets between the two sub networks, and this one confirms that the routing configuration was successful, as you can see here. Ping 192.168.10.2, and you just hit enter and you will see these outcomes. And here you see packets sent for, received for, lost 0% of loss. This one is successful. So that's all. And on this project, I can conclude by saying it was successfully demonstrated communication between two different networks using Cisco Packet Tracer, and the simulation also showed proper routing, successful packet delivery, and very low latency in simulated environment. It helped me better understand networking concepts used in a telecommunication system. Hopefully it's the same for you. For instance, if you try to here to simulation and click this play button, as you can see, it can run successful. So that's all in today's video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.